Sometimes, dreams do come true. Introducing TrueDent by Stratasys. With multi-material technology that enables printing of a full palette of colors and shades. So the possibilities are truly endless. The entire structure, both denture base and teeth, are created in one continuous print. No assembly required. The results look more natural than anything you've ever printed. Let the true colors shine through. TrueDent is allowing you to customize and match for multiple cases simultaneously and print different colors all on a single tray. Sometimes dreams do come true. TrueDent by Stratasys. True aesthetics made possible.